Today I'm going to show you how to open up our 4-channel DVR system. What you're going to need is a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. And most of our, it's going to be exactly like this one, but the one you're going to get is going to be really similar to this. So I'm going to use this instead. So the first screw is going to be on this side right here, right there. So unscrew that side. This side, and most likely the one you're going to get is going to have a screw right here. And you're going to have one screw right here, but this one has one right here and one right here.
That one's $45.99.
And another one right here.
And then the cheapest one is $30.
In other words, just remove the screws so you can take out the case.
Yeah, make sure it's a top case. It's not the screws on the bottom does not matter. It's part of the chassis. So the one you want is on top.
Okay.
And it's gonna be another screw right here, right there.
Let me see if we have 3.
And when you open it up, you're gonna see most likely a spot. It's gonna be either right here or right here for the spot. And make sure that use a SATA hard drive. SATA are these hard drives right here. Make sure, because if you look at the old IDE hard drive, see how it does, it's different?
So which one's SATA?
SATA is this one right here. SATA is going to use these red cables. You know how, look, you can't fit these red cables inside these IDE. See, it does not fit.
Okay.
But when you use the SATA hard drive, see how, like, see the smaller one?
Okay, so use SATA hard drive only. Do not use IDE hard drive.
Yeah, the smaller one is a data cable. So it slides in right there. It's like it's kind of hard to see, but it's an L shape.
Okay.
So it just fits perfectly right in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one is the power one that just slides right into there too. Then just put it in there.
Yes.
And you're gonna grab, most likely yours. Most ARC DVR system will come with 2 screws.
Let's see the 2 screws. Okay.
Right there. Then you're gonna put it on the side. You're gonna line up. Oh, can you put? See right here? It's like a little spot for the screw.
Yeah, that one's the one for $45.
Okay.
Then you screw in one. And you're gonna screw in one on the other side. See how this one has a hole over here too? Just to line it up. And now you are done. We just installed a 500 gig hard drive. A lot of customers are going to ask you, 500 gig hard drive will be about 2 weeks of recording time. And once that 2 week is over, it's going to delete the oldest date and you just record over it, so you always have a 2-week loop.
So repeat that again. 500 gigabyte hard drive will give you
500 gig hard drives for 4 cameras, 4 channels, will give you about 2 weeks of recording time.
And after the 2 weeks recording is finished.
Yeah, once the hard drive is about to fill up, after that 2 weeks, it'll delete the oldest date and record over it. So your customers will always have a 2-week continuous loop.
Okay. And Pick, the DVR that you have might be a little bit different, might be a different model, but the principle is the same. Installing the hard drive is the same.
Yeah, it's going to be the same, yeah. Well, for sure you're going to find a red cable, the thinner one.
What was that?
This thin one is the data cable, so this one's always going to be attached to the main board.
That one's $45. That one we can.
And this one is, see, it's a little bit longer. This one's about 1 inch. This one is the power one, and it's going to be always attached to the sideboard, the smaller board. See, like that.
Okay. And
then now you are done. So all you need to do
is replace the cable.
I have the BNC connectors in here.
Pop the lid back on.
And put the screws back in the end.
We have our